We'll go to the right and then we'll go.
What is happening here?
Nothing.
I don't bite, I just suck.
This is the type of girl at the club where she scares everybody on the dance floor. It's like a whirlwind.
Oh, I like the sexy one of the group. Guys singing at the club and they're like, God damn, that's a baddie right there. Look at her move. She moves like an angel. I like Pepito more.
Fiona, look. Durex. Play warming lube.
Okay, please say that louder.
What about this? Super sensitive condoms.
Joey.
Thin and smooth. It's like a second skin. Super sensitive.
Okay.
Oh, there's a Playboy one here. Look. Foreplay pleasure.
Let's look for extra small for you.
Extra small?
Do they have extra small for you? Or?
Make sure they're extra padded too for your loose ass vagina.
Here it is. Here you go. Would you guys prefer this angle? Whoa! Oh my god, that's sick.
Yeah.
You guys like this angle? Wow! Wow, look at all the things that are around me. This guy was mocking my wow. Wow, so many cool things to see. Holy shit, I wish you guys could see this. Amazing. I don't bite, I just suck.
Not a squirt gun. This looks like a fucking bazooka for 500 baht. Damn, that's kind of impressive.
That's kind of expensive.
You win.
I'm so... No, Joey, fuck it.
Get her.
No. Oh my god, I'm all wet.
Two young Asians just faced racism. We were targeted.
Crime.
It was a hate crime targeted.
I'm all wet.
I know, me too. Here, let me help you.
Joey, what are you...
What? Oh, that was a hate crime.
Okay, not that long. You're gonna hit the top. What? Joey, be careful. Joey! License
Can you stop grazing your hand on my knees? Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh yeah. We'll go to the right and then we'll go.
What is happening here?
Nothing. I was stretching my back.
Okay.
Look at me.
Oh, stretching.
I'm
Okay.
stretching my back.
Ah, okay, I understand.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
No, look. I'm cracking my back.
Oh, okay. Back it. I'm so good!
What?
I don't know.
What the fuck was that?
I like to fuck my sister.
Wow.
I like to have sex with both my parents and my children
Whoa.
and my whole entire family, and then I go shoot my guns to protect my wife.
The scrotum theory?
No, we go scrotum.
Scrotum again?
We don't back down.
Alright, don't back down. Scrotum. We're going to the
Oh my
middle.
god, I did it again.
Scrotum.
Alright, scrotum.
Scrotum theory. Scrotum.
Alright, scrotum.
Share.
Oh my god, they edged us twice. They double edged us.
Tried to play basketball during my freshman year, and I got a black eye.
That's got to be racist. There's no way.
Welcome home, honey.
Oh yeah.
Come on in. The water water's just fine.
Oh my god. Alright, Chad, I'll be right back.
Oh, I see what you're doing. You're also filming it to chat too. That's cool. Alright, ready? Chad, this is hard.
Okay, let's go. Vegas trip where me and Joey met. That 1 week, I didn't stream that whole fucking week.
Oh yeah, it was very memorable.
Yeah. It was, because we met, Joey. Don't say it creepily.
It was awesome at night. Ooh. Oh yeah, it was.
Why was it so memorable at night?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Shall we stand up?
That is so creepy. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Ow! Ow! Meow! Oh, the security guard. Dude, this is like that. There was like this one TikTok series where, like, about an
There's just no comparison. Like actually, just like one from Earth and. Sorry, Fiona, you can't. There's this.
I know, dude. Dude, I was trying to walk next to her, but I was like, whoa. Oh my goodness.
That is a rare breed right there.
Joey!
Shut the fuck up.
Sorry. Joey, that's the security guard.
I know.
Okay.
That's why you don't.
Okay, then don't turn me. I'm scared. Joey, I'm scared. Can you not turn me?
I'm covering your logo. I'm not touching your boob. I'm covering your logo. Come on. Go!
He just got molested live. Please stop tarnishing his reputation. I'm just kidding. I was late. Both of us were late, actually. He's right here.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Did you read Discord?
Yeah, I saw this one too. I don't want to ruin his day.
Oh my god. Hey. Oh my god. Maybe I should have flaked. I can't believe you did that.